No matter where we are in the world, if there is something that's part of our day-to-day life, that's food. That's why in 1970 the term food safety was established, to ensure that we all should have enough access to food to meet our nutritional needs and cultural preferences, but also safe for our health. Because food makes a long trip until it reaches our plate, it might be contaminated along the way, and this could lead to eroding consumers' confidence. But there is no need to worry. These are only isolated situations. To ensure that a product is harmless, all companies in the food sector implement safety systems. These systems guarantee that the food doesn't contain any physical, chemical, or microbiological element at levels that could be harmful to our health. Besides, they evaluate the presence of possible allergens and ensure the proper labeling of the product. Behind these strict controls, there is a large number of food and nutrition researchers working day by day to make sure our food is safe. But not only that, they also check that the information fits the consumer preferences, since these change over time. Today, we are more concerned about issues such as the origin of food, the material of the packaging, or the effect it may have on the environment. We demand more information about the products we consume than decades ago. The European project Annual Food Agenda, supported by EIT Food, was launched in 2019 to solve the current doubts that arise among consumers. This program fosters dialogue between academia, industry, producers and consumers to achieve a more transparent food system that reinforces the consumer trust. Different initiatives were launched in several countries of the European Union to bring nutrition research closer to the consumer. One example is the campaign Trust in Food of the Spanish National Research Council CSIC, which covered topics such as the fake myths of food, the management of plastics and packaging, or new foods as part of talks, workshops and other activities. All this was led by experts and researchers in food science and nutrition. Overall, the campaign provided quality information to the consumer, showing the science behind the food system and transmitting at the same time a reassuring message. Food safety is a shared responsibility between academy, companies and consumers. With information, we encourage critical thinking and help the consumer to choose the best options. And this is key to the evolution of nutrition, that it is linked to the sustainable development goals and confidence that consumers will have in the food of the future.